Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, Chandra is gonna identify my pregnancy and postpartum stuffs, and he's a doctor, so he would know most of them. But let's see how it goes. How are you feeling?
I think I feel okay, a little pressure.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, guys. Let's go with our first step. So whatever I'm gonna ask him, the picture is gonna come on the screen. So that's what he's gonna be identifying. So are you ready for the first?
Yes.
So yeah, what's this?
This is a pregnancy pillow.
Yeah, it's super simple. I got this when I first became pregnant. So a lot of people recommended this, and they said it's gonna be really helpful, but it was not helpful at all. So I'd rather use like a pillow between two, between my legs, and it was much comfortable that way. This was very, very uncomfortable for me personally. So I don't know. It was not like a product that you would buy. What is this?
This, huh? Yeah, this is breastfeeding pillow.
Yeah, so basically, this this is a breastfeeding pillow. So there are two types, guys. I think the other one is called the dolly, where it doesn't have a back support. This one has a back support. Excuse the noise. Archie's drinking water. So back in the back support, guys, you don't have to keep constantly bending forward. So that's the reason I actually went ahead and picked this. And also, I think dolly, you can use it as a pillow also, but I don't think this you can use it as a pillow. So it's not multi-purpose, but it helps with your back when you're feeding. So that's the reason I actually bought this. Okay, next one.
These are, I think you use it postpartum.
Yeah.
To relieve pain.
Yeah, where?
Like you use it in your lower back.
No.
No? Okay. So, do you use both of these simultaneously?
No,
Or,
you just use it individually.
no, like at the same time or?
No,
No.
you don't.
Okay.
I can give you a hint.
Uh-huh.
So you basically use it after feeding.
Oh, okay. So you use it on your breast.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are like cooling pads?
So
Or
basically
sleeping pads?
they're breast pads.
Okay.
So you can either heat them or cool them.
Okay.
So you
How do
can,
you heat them?
there are instructions on it. So
Oh,
basically
okay.
you put them in hot water
Oh, okay.
and you heat them when
Or you put it in a freezer?
freezer.
Okay.
So the heat setting is when you when you're after feeding, to relieve the pain.
Okay.
So basically you freeze it because you want to relieve the engorgement, sudden blockage or something. You kind of put
Okay.
ice on it.
Okay.
So, yeah, these are breast pads, guys. I kind of googled them a lot. So they say it's really gonna help. I haven't used them. Have not reached the stage, but let's see. So heat settings is when you guys put on after every feed. So cold settings or the ice setting is when you have engorgements or blockages in your breast and you just want to relieve it.
Yep.
Okay, next one.
Yeah, these are compression stockings.
Yeah. So these are compression stocking, guys. It's pretty obvious. So usually you kind of use them for reducing your swellings in the legs, and I've never got to use them. I've never had a swelling up until now. So people use it when you're doing long walks or in the flights for long travel. So I would rather just walk around in the flights or take breaks when you're walking. I've never used these compression socks. So it has its pros and cons. So that's compression socks. So yeah, next one.
Yeah, this is a massager because you have those buttons,
Yeah.
with different massage settings
Yeah.
and intensity. Yeah, I think you use it on the breast.
Yeah.
It's a breast massager.
Breast massager.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, this is a breast massager, and you kind of place it on the breast to improve your milk production. So I think you use it in the earlier stages of your lactation, and you kind of like, if you're producing low milk, you could do manual or you could use a massager like this. So that's a breast massager. I don't know if I'm gonna ever use it, so it depends, probably postpartum. So that's a breast massager. I was so scared you would probably say something else. Okay. Yeah, what is this?
Yeah, I think it is probably some sort of cleanser.
No.
Do you use it to clean your privates?
Yeah, basically you kind of you use it to clean your privates, but
Yeah.
postpartum.
Yeah.
But what is the what do you think would be the advantage of using this?
It has a long like, what do you call it, long stem, or
Okay, so
so it goes deep.
oh no, what goes deep? No.
Yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, you tell.
So basically, it doesn't go deep, guys. So basically, this is like it's called a peri bottle. So basically, you fill in water, and every time you urinate, because your urine is so acidic,
Yeah.
it helps to neutralize the acidity of
Okay.
the urine. So every time you urinate, you use the bottle.
Okay.
So you're near your urethra, so it kind of reduces the the acidity, and reduces, because postpartum, guys, that area has become so sensitive, and it's really painful. So on top of it, if there's an acidic urine, then it's gonna be really very uncomfortable. So this is peri bottle, guys, and highly recommend. So please use it. They even use it for hemorrhoids, like it has the same mechanism as sitz bath.
Okay.
So you can either use sitz bath or you can use a peri bottle. So I'm probably gonna use both.
Yeah, man, never seen this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a ovulation strip
Yeah. So how do you say if it's ovulation or pregnancy?
because it's blue.
Yeah.
I think pregnancy strip is pink.
Yeah. So yeah, this is a ovulation strip, guys, and I'm gonna link down the the video where I've spoken about this, so you guys can go back and watch and know how to use it. So usually pregnancy strips are like in pink in color. This is blue. So the only difference is when you're taking a urine sample for ovulation, it's around like 2 p.m. and for pregnancy, it's early morning urine samples. So that's about ovulation strip. What is this?
Yeah, this I know. This is a pregnancy band that you use.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have the black one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, these are pregnancy support bands, and these are the ones where guys, they're really helpful when I probably go to gym or I'm lifting weights. So it's super advantageous because it supports your back and it kind of lifts your lower abdomen. So highly recommend in the third trimester. So yeah, it's a good product, guys. Like, please do buy it. What are these?
Yeah, I think you use it for postpartum bleeding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, I think it's like the postpartum undergarment.
Yeah, postpartum undergarments.
Yeah.
Basically, it's pretty simple and like straightforward. So basically, it's a postpartum disposable, guys. So we kind of use pads. Like, it's very cumbersome to use pads. So we kind of use this disposable undergarments, which you can just like tear it up and throw it. So very useful, guys. Useful tip. Like most of the videos that I've watched, talk about this. Haven't used it, but like, I would probably give you guys a review once I reach that stage.
Highly recommended. Huh?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
people just because you don't want to like, constantly,
Wash.
yeah, and also like remove it and pull it up and stuff like that. So,
Yep.
what are these? I'm pretty sure you'll not get to know.
Yeah, I mean, these are cookies.
Yeah, but why would I need them
With
during?
some,
Yeah.
Dry, like some dry fruits. I mean, nuts in it.
Yeah, why would I need them during pregnancy?
I've never seen you eating this during pregnancy.
Because we have Indian stuff.
Yeah. uh, does it like help with the postpartum, like pain or bleeding?
No.
No. It probably helps with the lactation.
Yeah. Because it's not this, it has to be that. Okay. So yeah, guys, these are lactation cookies. So I'm not gonna use it because
Archie will use it. That's
why would Archie use it?
because he likes cookies, right?
Why would he use it? It has hormones in it, Archie.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I thought it was only like nuts.
So basically, you have those ingredients which will increase the milk production.
Oh, okay. Or does it have oxytocin or what?
No, actually, so I don't know what this has. Flax seeds. And
Oh, okay.
a couple of seeds like that.
Oh.
So basically, I'm not going to use this, guys. I'm going to use the ones my mother is going to make. So in India we call it methi seeds, which it's fenugreek basically. So we use that seeds on a daily basis. It's known to actually increase your milk production. There are some Indian herbal stuff that I'm going to be probably talking to you about once I go into that phase. So yeah, guys, this is lactation cookies. Okay, what is this?
This? Yeah, I think it's a breast pump.
No, it's not a breast pump. I mean, we have like a
Yeah, we have the electric pump, but probably this is a manual pump.
no, this is not a manual pump. I mean, I told you, remember, like you kind of use it when you're feeding.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you use it on the other breast
Yeah.
to collect the milk.
What is it called?
Huh?
What is it called?
This one?
Yeah.
The other breast milk collector.
What name is that?
Yeah.
Other milk breast.
Milk collector.
Other breast milk collector. No.
Yeah.
No.
Then
It's called Haka.
Aka. Okay.
So not the Haka noodles. So basically it's Haka, guys. When I kind of researched so much into the videos, so what I realized is when you're feeding on one end, the other one starts also producing milk. That's a natural phenomena. So why would you waste that milk? So you would probably collect it in these bottles called Haka, and eventually I'm going to show you how to use these products. So this is called Haka, which you put on the other side when you're feeding on one side of your breast. So I'm pretty
Looks weird.
sure.
It looks weird. Is it a jug?
No. why would I use a jug?
Oh no, like or is it like like the colostrum collector?
No.
No?
It's like dead opposite of what you're saying. So
Okay.
basically it's like a urine collector.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So why do you collect urine in this?
So basically, as you go on the like the third trimester, right? Because your tummy is so big, it's difficult to put your hands out.
Oh, okay.
And also, like postpartum, you are in so much of pain. So you put them. So basically, you collect your urine here,
Okay.
and then you kind of drain from this end into the bottles. So it's urine collector.
Okay. Are you using this?
No,
Then why do you recommend it?
I don't know. I'm just asking you. But it actually makes your life easier.
Yeah, but why? No, but why would you collect urine at home?
Yeah, not in home. Like I'm saying, when you go to your OBGYN or like,
Okay.
when they
But
ask
why
you
would
to,
you carry this in your purse or wallet?
yeah, I mean, that's more comfy than like probably like, every time trying to find which opening it is. So,
Yeah, but still, carrying this is cumbersome.
no, I think so. I think it's
Yeah.
more like convenience
Yeah.
because every time like you just want to, you cannot bend too much and
Okay.
you cannot collect. So it's more of convenience. It's not mandatory.
Yeah. So it's not highly recommended.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
highly recommended. He's behind recommendations, guys. We are not recommending any of these, but we're just like these are suggestions that I am following. So like it's like of advantage. So it's up to you guys. You want to like buy it or not. So yeah, that's a urine collector. So yeah,
That's the last one?
yeah, that's the last one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So probably I got maybe like 70 to 80%,
Yeah,
right?
70 to 80%, right? So
Okay.
that's really not bad, guys. And,
Yeah.
and the thing is, like, he buys most of the stuffs for me.
No, I
So,
didn't buy most of these stuff.
Yeah,
probably.
but couple of them here.
Yeah, I ordered a few stuff.
Yeah. So he knows like a few of them. So,
But then most of these were postpartum.
yeah, like the next one is gonna be like labor instruments. I'm gonna see how well you
Oh,
know
okay.
them.
Wow. The last time I saw the labor instruments was back in my med school.
Yeah. But even so, I kind of remember the vaginal instruments, guys, but I think I've forgotten the scissors. Like there are different scissors for different it has different purposes. Like there's like a artery, there's like a one like cautery, like for so there are like loads of them. So I think we'll probably have fun with that. These are basics which we probably know. So that's it for this episode, guys. There's gonna be another one, loads of parts in this. So please do keep an eye, hit the bell icon so that you guys get a notification. Please do like, share, and subscribe. We're seeing that you guys like the pregnancy vlogs more, so we're gonna keep doing that more. And also comment if you guys want to know any information from us. In the best of our knowledge, because we are in the medical field, we can provide you. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. And look out for the next episode. It's gonna be probably on instruments or on the neonatal or the newborn stuff. So yeah, guys, bye. Thank you, and look out for the next episode. Bye.
Peace.